Are you ready to uncover the marvelous ways to regain a flat belly after a C-section? Welcome to Marvelous Ways. In this video, we will explore 7 strategies specifically tailored to help you navigate this journey. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way without dieting or exercising by visiting burnsap.com or click on the link below this video in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's dive into the 7 tips in this video. Number 1. Use a tummy binder. Using a tummy binder is a common way to get a flat tummy after the C-section. The post-C-section tummy binder is made of an elastic cloth or a muslin cloth, which works more like a bandage. Using this belt can help to push the belly inside, thus promoting flat belly after a few days of use. You can do this only after 2 months getting the surgery so that the tissues can heal faster. Number 2. Breastfeeding. One easy way to get rid of the extra fat around the tummy is breastfeeding. Breastfeeding will not only help you to develop a bond with your baby, but it can burn a lot of calories, thus getting rid of the extra fat post the pregnancy. It is important to breastfeed your baby for at least 6 months so it melts up the belly fat soon. Number 3. Drinking lots of water. Drinking lots of water can not only help to hydrate your body, but surprisingly, it can also help to flush out the excess fat from your system. Drinking water is essential after C-section, as it is only not helpful in maintaining the fluid balance, but also prevents you from overeating as well. Keeping your body hydrated can help to speed up the healing process. Number 4. Drink lemon water. Drinking lemon water after C-section is the safest way to detox and get rid of the excess belly fat. Take some lukewarm water and add some lemon juice and honey to it. Mix together and drink this water in the morning. You should drink lemon water only once in a day. A combination of lemon and honey with lukewarm water can help to melt the fat and reduce tummy after cesarean delivery easily. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and encourage the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to more weight-loss viewers like yourself. What is your favorite tip so far? Comment below and let's continue with the rest. Number 5. Eat right. A woman generally needs 300 to 500 calories in order to keep her body healthy and function properly. You should be consuming lots of fruits, eggs, and milk in order to meet the minimum requirement of your body. Because you cannot perform normal workouts after C-section, you should be very cautious during this phase. During the first 6 months of pregnancy, your body secretes pregnancy hormones, which allow your body to gain weight very easily. So it is always good to stay away from junk food and gorge more on fruits and veggies. Number 6. Use a postpartum support belt. Using a postpartum support belt can prove extremely good in treating flabby stomach. Using postpartum support belt helps to tighten the abdominal muscles, thus reducing the stomach fat and also reducing the back pain. It is preferable to reduce tummy after cesarean delivery. This is especially good for those who went through C-section. Make sure you use the belt only after 2 months after the delivery. You can remove the belt while eating and sleeping. Number 7. Go for walks. You should prevent excessive workouts as it may take a toll on your stomach and muscles. You should start walking regularly for 30 to 40 minutes 5 to 6 months after the delivery. Walking is a low-impact workout that helps to boost metabolism and also burn the extra fat in the body. It also helps in increasing the energy, thus preventing the body fat to get stored in the body. Please give this video a like And also subscribe to this channel. Check the other videos on our screen right now. They will surely help you in your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.